everybody! Today I'm going to talk about an interesting insect, a praying mantis. They have great vision. They can turn their head from side to side, so they are good at hunting and protecting themselves from their enemies. They can jump with extreme precision. They are masters of disguise and supremely gifted in camouflage. They wait to ambush or patiently stalk their prey. But once they are ready to strike, they do with lightning speed. They only eat live food. They eat insects, spiders, small vertebrate animals also. Female mantis shows cannibalistic behavior in hunts the male. Their predators include frogs, lizards, birds, as well as certain kinds of spiders. Praying mantises are also preyed upon by bats, but they are no easy victim. They can detect the bat's echolocation sounds, and when they are approached, they dive to the ground, often executing spirals and loops on their way, and finally using their front legs to escape.